Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Rob here, Fully Loaded Customs. Happy New Year 2025. Hope you guys had a fantastic 2024. 2025 here, it's about to be phenomenal. It's gonna be a fantastic year here at the shop. So I want to take this time out to say, hey guys, thanks for watching the channel, leaving those comments, watching those videos. Appreciate it. And just wanted to give you guys just a quick update. I haven't had a chance to upload some videos, there's the words, in a little while here. Just want to show you some clips of some videos I got coming out here, so you know what to expect on the channel. And at the same time, if you guys remember when I said this, again here I got home late from work today, so I didn't get a good start today, this evening. So I think tomorrow I'm gonna call in sick to work. Guys, well, honestly, would you rather go to a job you hate, or would you rather work in your shop doing fun things? Or we can, I might not even call in sick. I might just be honest and just tell them, hey, I'm not coming today because it's not interested. They got better things to do. So we'll catch you guys back here in the shop tomorrow. So turns out the internet company that I was doing internet installs for, their technology got a bit too old and couldn't compete the best with Starlink there. So they had to pull and shut down 3 of the 4 main internet systems in my area. So, I don't even get a call in to work sick or uninterested due to lack of interest anymore, because kind of did it for me. They shut their systems down permanently, and back in September the 1st there, I pretty much lost my full-time job. I had 15 years experience in. They shut her down on me. I was doing 5 days a week, 10 to 12 hour days, driving, 300 to 500 kilometers a day, 350 miles, 400 miles a day for those guys, but they shut it down on me. But hey, I did say in that video, hey, that did turn out to be a blessing, because I did say, hey, would you rather go to a job that you know you're not supposed to be going to, spending time doing things you know you're not supposed to be doing, or would you rather stay in your shop and work on cool stuff, which is exactly the opportunity we're going to get here in 2025, because we're going to get to spend a lot more time in the shop here. We're going to be doing a lot more artwork here this year, and I'm going to be able to do a lot more YouTube stuff, because I'm not going to have to leave my house. So it's going to be a fantastic year coming up here. At the end of the video here too, guys, I'll have a little year recap of my artwork. You guys don't get a chance. I haven't really posted that too much, so you get to see exactly how many pieces of artwork I did this year. To put it in context, so in 2023, I did 12 pieces of artwork for the art gallery. This is what 12 pieces of artwork look like. And this year, my artwork just took off, and I'm doing 125 pieces of artwork here for the year that just passed here in 2024. Just wild. Unbelievable. And I think I sold 80 of those pieces, just crazy. So, and that's not the only thing that just happened here recently in the last four months. Actually, just last week, I'll show you. I also had this guy show up to my house here. He showed up on Christmas Eve. I don't have a name for him yet, so if you guys have a name for him or a suggestion, let me know. I was going to call him Chevelle. Kuda's another name. Firebird. We could call him Firebird. But if you guys got a cool shop dog name that's car related, let me know in the comments down below, because so far he's been a pretty cool dog. So we couldn't even call him Z28. But if you guys know a good name, shop dog name, leave those comments down in the comment section below, and I'll pick one of them and I'll name the dog that, which I think would be pretty cool. So anyways, let's throw up some clips here. I'm going to show you some clips of some videos I got coming out here soon there, guys. Like I said, it's just been a crazy busy month here, last 4 months. But pretty much getting a crazy amount of artwork. I've never done that many pieces ever. The most up until last year I've ever done 1 year is maybe 20, maybe 15. 15, I think. Last year I did 125. It's wild. This is actually a collaboration piece here too I'm doing for the Ferrari dealership as an example piece. We're hoping to set up a collaboration at their dealership for June for an art show for me, which is wild. So when I say 2025 is going to be a fantastic year, It's going to be great because we're going to be spending a lot more time in the shop this year. I can't wait for it. So anyways, let's get to those clips here right away. So first video up here, I'm going to be dropping pretty much right away here. It's I came across this car here specifically, which is an IROC Z. I have a really cool idea for a future YouTube video here on the channel with this car. I found all these here at a wrecking yard earlier in the summertime when it was supposed to be working. But yeah, found these in a wrecking yard here. I think it's a really cool video idea I got for this one. I'll explain in the video. I think there was about 5 or 6 third-gen Camaros there. Same with Firebirds. I think there was one of those, an 81 Firebird there as well. But I have a really cool idea for this car coming up for a future YouTube video. I'll be dropping this video here pretty much within the next week or so. So if you guys remember way back at the very beginning of my YouTube channel, my 58 Chevy Biscayne, I tried to do a will it run video on this car when I first started the channel a couple years ago. Didn't turn out too good. My dad was down here in the summertime. He really wanted to help out with a will it run video. And I had the 58 here sitting, so my dad was giving me a hand most of the summer. We tore into the car here and I got you a will it run video on the 58. You can kind of see how that turns out. Stick around for that one. This was definitely a lot of fun to film. Had an awesome time doing this here with my dad there too. And same thing, you know, this car sat in the woods for 40 years before I picked it up about 5 years ago. We actually had to cut a bunch of trees down in order to get this thing drug out. So stay tuned for this one. It's a great video to film. Had an awesome time doing it. I also had my buddy Sheldon come over here too. He gave me a hand with the 350 out of the 1980 Scottsdale. We tore that motor completely down, stripped it down. We did fully resealed everything there, replaced the camshaft and a couple other parts there needed there as well. And then sanded the motor. My dad gave me a hand there and we sanded the block down and we laid out a beautiful blue color on it. So I have that motor or video coming there too for the 1980 Scottsdale where we completely strip it down and pretty much rebuild that as well. Got that video coming out for you too. I've also got another 3rd gen Firebird video here coming out for you as well. I've had all these replacement parts here sitting around the shop for a while. New struts, new shocks, new brakes, stuff like that. So my dad had to go back home to Ontario there. So we figured instead of flying, why don't we just get the Firebird already, put the new parts on it, take a weekend out to do it, and get it ready so we could just road trip the Firebird across Canada. So that's what we decided. Get the Firebird all ready to go and drive across Canada, which is like 4,600 miles. And I think that would have been the longest will it drive video on YouTube, which would have been super cool. But unfortunately, the internet company that I was working for, like I said earlier in the video, they pulled 3 of the 4 main internet systems out of my area, and I pretty much lost my full-time job in September. So I wasn't able to do that, but the good news is we already have all this work done to the Firebird. It's got new shocks, it's got new brakes, front and rear, new struts. The transmission's been replaced. It's running and driving fantastic. So it's set and ready to rock for that 4,600 mile drive across Canada and back. So maybe in the summertime, I'll revisit that video idea and drive it across Canada, go back home, visit my mom, my dad, my brothers, my friends, my family. If you'd like to see that video, leave in the comment section below. If you'd like to see that video idea, I think it'd be really cool. And as far as I'm aware, 4,600 miles would be the longest will it drive video on YouTube, especially from taking something from a wrecking yard, getting it running and driving out of the wrecking yard and then driving it that kind of distance. I think it would be the longest. If it's not, correct me if I'm wrong though, but leave those comments in the comment section if you would like to see it. And at the same time, when I posted the last video on the Firebird transmission, somebody had left in the comments section here, long drive home 4185. Hey, maybe you should do a weekend makeover on the Firebird, change some parts it needs or polish the paint or something like that, just to get some more Firebird videos going. So I thought, hey, that's a pretty cool idea. Let's see if the paint will polish up. As soon as I got the paint polished on the car, I figured, hey, you know what? I also got some leftover blue color sitting here. Maybe we can make it look good from like 20 feet away for the drive across Canada. And when we get home, we can strip it down and repaint it. So also did that little quick weekend makeover on it as well. Make it look good from about 20 feet away. So got that video coming out for you as well. And I tell you, it was such a great help having my dad here this summer. It made such a difference. Like you're seeing here in the video, he helped me out so much on all the projects I had going on at the shop. He sandblasted down all the hood hinges, all the smaller parts here for the pickup truck. Got the hood hinges, the gas tanks, the skid plates for the gas tanks, all the small little pieces, and bigger stuff too, like the rad support. Got all those pieces all sandblasted so I could start sanding them, getting them all ready for primer and paint. Also had a new box show up here too in the summertime for the truck. So you can get that in the shop here right away too. Start getting working on it. And in the next couple months here as well, guys, I'm going to be able to go pick up this car, which is my 1979 Pontiac Trans Am. I can't even tell you how excited I am to go pick this car up. This is actually the first car that I ever painted, the first car that I ever put airbrush, I was able to airbrush on, first car I drove across Canada. I've got so many great, amazing memories in this car. This is like getting your first car back. I can't wait for it. I had to give this thing up in like 2016. I think I painted it in 2008. It's been off the road for about 10 years. That's even still my license plate still on the car. So I can't wait to go pick this thing back up. And even this car here too, this is the reason that I have my logo designed too. It's a throwback tribute to this car. Man, I've got a 455 for it already. We're going to put some serious horsepower behind this car. I can't wait to redo it and bring it back to life. And once I get those videos all edited, guys, I'll be sure to get them up on the channel for you as soon as I possibly can. Like I was saying in the beginning of the video, 2005 is going to be a phenomenal year. We're going to get to spend more time here in the shop working on artwork and working on YouTube stuff, which is going to be fantastic here. We'll get the truck project all finished and taken care of, get the custom paint laid out on it. And once that's done then too, like I said, we can revisit the idea. Leave us in the comment section you want to see it. Driving the Firebird across Canada. Be cool to do a road trip with my dad, which I originally had planned before I lost my job. To revisit that idea. We bought a bunch of tapes for it because it's got a tape player in there. We even bought a bunch of tapes from like the pawn shops and like the secondhand stores where you can find cassette tapes still. We were ready to rock in that thing if I wouldn't have lost my job. But leave those comments in the comment section. We can still revisit that idea. Driving across Canada when we get back home. Then we can decide if we're either going to strip down the Firebird, strip it down to metal, repaint it, or if we're going to jump on the Camaro and do the Camaro first. You can leave those comments in the comment section there too. And same time, what we can call the shop dog who showed up at my place Christmas Eve, because now I'm taking care of him as well. So it's going to be a great year this year. So anyways, guys, like I said earlier, I'm going to throw up a quick video here too for you guys to check out. This is how my year of artwork went. So hope you guys enjoy it. Stick around to the end. It was an awesome year for my artwork. So I'll catch you guys on the next video I'm able to upload, which is probably going to be the IROC Z Camaro that I checked out. IROC Z Camaro that I found. And showing my plans I got planned for that. But anyways, guys, remember, it's not Raglan, it's not custom. Catch you guys in the next video. So till then, enjoy my artwork that I created here in 2024 for the art gallery. See you guys in the next video. Take care.
Oh, Black Betty, Bam, go Black Betty, Bam, Black Betty had a child, Bam, don't think gonna wild, Bam, she's always ready, Bam, she's all rock steady, Bam, whoa Black Betty, Bam, yeah Black Betty. Oh, Black Betty, go Black Betty. Black Betty had a pie, don't think gonna cry. She almost pretty, she almost pretty, oh Black Betty, oh Black Betty, Oh, Black Betty. Oh, Black Betty. Black Betty had a pie. Don't think gonna cry. She almost Betty. She almost Betty. Oh, Black Betty. Oh, Black Betty. Oh, Black Betty. Oh, Black Betty. Black Betty had a pie. Don't think gonna cry. She almost Betty. She almost Betty. Oh, Black Betty. Oh, Black Betty. Oh, Black Betty. Oh, Black Betty. Black Betty had a pie. Don't think gonna cry. She almost Betty. She almost Betty. Oh, Black Betty. Oh, Black Betty. She's always my mind.